After being ill for so many years with depression, eating disorder, I nearly died. I just had no self-worth, no purpose in life anymore. I had accepted the fact that this was me.
She felt that she had nothing anymore to offer, and that she felt that her life was restricted, that she wasn't going to have the life that she dreamt of.
My daughter was coming to classes and she encouraged me. Well, she nagged and nagged and nagged. And I came to a class because I was interested. She was doing psychology. It was one of the hardest things I ever had to do, was walk in the room. But I did it, and I've never looked back.
It was like a light bulb going over her head, just switching on, and I knew it was a case of just keeping that focus and finding something that she loved to do, which she did. She just loved learning. She was like a sponge. I mean, she was the ideal learner for me because you couldn't give her enough.
I'm living. I'm not existing anymore. I'm living life. I've got a zest for life. I can't express enough how important adult learning is and what it's given me back. I don't fear anything anymore. And a lot of that is down to my tutor. She's been magnificent. And she made me feel as if, yes, you can do it. Watch this space, that was her words to me. And that was amazing. I'll be forever thankful.
The future's very bright for Clare. She got so much that she could achieve. And I'll always be alongside her to help her with that. Now she's become a friend, and I'll always help her in any way I can in that.
Maybe become a tutor myself one day. Give a little back. I've been given so much, I'd like to give something back. And help others, encourage others with the knowledge that I've got now, and help them learn and achieve things and move on with their lives. And I know that would be a wonderful achievement for me, to see people progress as I have.